date here at the car show that we're going to go ahead and put Dad's car on the dyno. We do a lot of dyno stuff back in Ashtabula and have a little bit of fun at TI Dyno with Kevin Cragen and Dave Dolk, the mad scientist. So we figured we'd get up on the dyno over here. I'm going to make 2 pulls. I don't know how much boost we have in it. It's pretty much the same as we had at the track. I don't think I've messed with that too much. So let's go see what it does on the rollers. All right, we'll go ahead and get it on the, I don't think we've ever done it on a roller, like a mobile roller, so it should be okay. Hopefully don't spend too much tire. To give you guys a quick rundown of the engine, it's your basic stock block, stock bottom end build with flip pistons, 93 Cobra cam, GT40P heads from the junkyard unported with the intake and the throttle body. Basically, this engine's all Ford production from like 40 years ago. Minus the injectors and head studs, it's all factory. Of course, there's a turbo kit on it, but for what it is, I'm pretty impressed with it.
Had a crack in the golf?
Yeah, in the manifold.
Oh, well, yeah, you should have welded that up. You already know where it's cracked at.
Man, son. What's that? Yes. 180. Trying to warm it up. Yeah, it never gets hot. Maybe that'll work to my advantage. I don't know. Think a trans is gonna hold?
Yeah, it's gonna
T5
hold.
is
It's a
sketch.
T5.
Stock ECU. I tuned it though. It's got a chip in it. It's good.
You tuned it?
Yeah.
And my 360. My 360 through the wheels.
That's not nice.
Yeah, going down. You went down. Oh, went down. About 430.
We'll see. Probably a wee number. Is that 4?
That's why.
What are you going to? 65 or 6,000? We go to 6. That's all we go to.
That intake might not, but that turbo will.
I know. I didn't want to pull past 6,000.
That right there is why it's gonna make 430.
What, Dyno Jet? Yeah. Oh, don't hate on Dyno Jet like that.
I'm not hating. I'm just saying it's gonna make more.
I love the roller Dyno. It's cool. It's all fun, man. It's streetcar stuff. Streetcar stuff.
Streetcar.
I wonder how much boost it'll make.
I don't know. Where's the sticker at?
It's up there. Can you keep an eye on how much boost it makes? It's gonna be perfect.
Do we need to not stand around the engine area?
Nah, it might fly off.
Yeah.
You know, I know the dummy that put this together.
Yeah, we're probably better. Let me move back.
Everyone's like, why is everybody moving back? Everyone's like, why are we moving backwards?
They like to talk. I want to move back. You move back.
There you go. I think he's just warming it up. So after making a quick adjustment while it's on the dyno, I decided to add a little more boost to it on our manual boost controller. We're not really sure where it's going to go to, but we're about to find out. Last time we had this on the dyno back in Ohio, it made 420 wheels, so we're already past that on less boost. And I'm not afraid to take this to 15 or 16 all day.
So how many pounds? How many pounds was it?
12, just at 12. He told
I'm
me
impressed.
12.
I'm impressed, but I already knew this though. Push rod.
You already do? It's push rod life. It's push rod Tim's.
What did I call it? I said what, 430, 435, and it was 440.
442 on the first
442,
turn.
so that's pretty damn good.
458.
Yeah, and then 458. That 458 would have been a 7.0 pass.
Look at the tire spin at the top. It's coming in hard.
It did. That's it.
Yes, that's good. Well, we could have turned it up to 5. We would have ran out of injector.
Yeah.
That's out of injector now. I gotta put 60s in it and go back and
What's that now? 40s?
42 green top. Can I what?
He probably got 10 sets of them.
Can I get what?
You got 60s?
Yeah, I can get them. I got them on the shelf. So I should have put them in a long time ago. But here, it's my dad's car. He's 73 years old. I'm gonna turn it like all the way out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We'll go back to 8 pounds. It'll make maybe 400 on 8 pounds, 10 pounds. I appreciate you guys. So this is Dyno Jet Power Curve. They've been here for you've been here for years. So it's big shout out to you guys. I thank you guys for what you do. Okay, that's gonna wrap up the 2025 Foxtoberfest show. And we also got a chance to hit the track with Dad's car, which on about 12 pounds of booze. We also ended up hitting the Dyno, which you've seen in the video here. Made 442, 465 to the wheels on 12 pounds. We turned it up about a pound and a half, 2 pounds, just under 14. It made 458, about 460, 471 to the wheels. So I'm pretty impressed with Dad's little GT40 combo, but always remember that somebody's build is thousands of hours and thousands of dollars of their time, you know, to not only bring it here, but to build it and stuff. So that's kind of really what it's all about. So I got a chance to be with my boy Hanlon, my boy Brutal.
What's up, baby?
So let me consider subscribe. Jeez. I can't, I'm parched, man. I'm needing some water.
Hey, man, it happens.
Hey, consider subscribing. You know the deal. Check out that join, become a member of the channel. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I love y'all. I'll see you in the next video. We got a lot to pack up here.